Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into how to effectively manage project proposals using teamwork.com. Our first step is to create a new proposal project. Hop over to the Projects tab, click on Add Project, and fill in the necessary details. Now, why is this important? Simply, initializing your project sets the foundation for everything that follows. It allows you to outline your proposal and tailor it to your specific needs. Moving on, the next crucial step is to add your team members. On the project page, click People and then Add People. This is the stage where you delegate responsibilities. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone involved understands their role and the tasks assigned to them. Once everyone's on board, it's time to create task lists. Navigate to Tasks and then Add Task List. Here's where you'll break down your proposal into manageable chunks. This helps us because it enables us to manage the workflow effectively and monitor the progress of our proposal. Now that we've done that, we'll move to tracking time and budget. Click on Time and then Log Time to record the hours spent on tasks. Similarly, for budget, go to Dashboard, then Billing, and add Budget. Let me explain why this matters. Time tracking allows us to estimate how long tasks will take in the future, while budget tracking ensures we're staying within financial boundaries. Lastly, it's vital to keep the communication lines open. Use the Messages feature to keep your team updated and address any issues. This is essential because it creates a transparent environment where everyone stays on the same page. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage project proposals in teamwork.com. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep communication open. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.